मंशू बुलाते हैं, कभी मंशी बुलाते। आपका पॉडकास्ट इंस्टाग्राम।
अच्छा।
I can do anything without having anyone see me.
And what would you do अगर ऐसा हो तो?
Something not. When I was putting my hand into his mouth, he was not biting my hand. I'll enjoy my life in the luxury car. Or maybe we could find gold in the treasure hunt. Because I don't like school. We study a lot. Still go to the vacation. Or I will say to my mother that tell to him go with me. I never want an elephant. How do you put an elephant in the 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर निकली. Helps the people who do prayers.
अच्छा. And those who don't do prayers?
He punishes. Don't eat too much of sweet. Because when I eat sweets, mosquito bites. This much.
अरे इतना ज़्यादा.
को भर के आप मेरा आर्ट के बारे में नहीं बात करोगे? I'll ask my favorite animal, rabbit. Do you like K-pop? In Blackpink, there's Lisa, Jennie, Jisoo, Rosie, and four. Rosie nahi, Rose. Like there was a song Ice Cream Challenge where I listened it and I loved it. And after 2-3 days, I forgot the song. To make friends with people easily, but I don't talk. Don't let my papa watch this video. Can fall in rivers, and then animals in the river can eat plants. And don't do our legs like this, and then we have to do our hands like this. I would do with 3 things: a dancer, teacher, or a nail artist. She only has one nail polish that can be applied on children. Winning is not important. We should have fun in everything.
Hello everybody on the 4th edition of Small on Big Talk. और आज ये एपिसोड इतना स्पेशल है क्योंकि मेरे पास 2 प्यारी प्यारी बच्चियां हैं. How old is one? How old is Mansha?
7.
And how old is Dhanshika?
8.
अच्छा, मंशा एंड धनशिका, मुझे ये बताओ घर में तुम लोग के कोई पेट नेम्स हैं? क्या बुलाते हैं घर में?
धन.
और आपको?
मुझे कभी मंशू बुलाते हैं, कभी मंशी बुलाते हैं.
अरे तो बहुत सारे हो गए, 2 तो हो ही गए. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, नर्वस हो फॉर द पॉडकास्ट?
Yes, little bit.
या डू यू वॉच शोज ऑन टीवी?
Yeah.
यूट्यूब ये सब देखते हो? कभी पॉडकास्ट देखा है आप दोनों ने?
Once
यू हैव? क्या देखा है उसमें?
आपका पॉडकास्ट इंस्टाग्राम.
अच्छा, और आपने भी देखा है?
हाँ.
अच्छा, आपको पता है बच्चों के लिए ना बहुत कम पॉडकास्ट हैं, इसीलिए तो मैंने सोचा, आंटी ने सोचा कि चलो सारे बच्चों को इकट्ठा करते हैं. एंड स्पेशली माय 7-year-olds, यू आर गोइंग टू गिव मी द वर्ल्ड व्यू दैट वी रियली नीड टू हियर एंड मेक सेंस ऑफ कि 7 साल का बच्चा अडल्टहुड के बारे में एंड अबाउट द वर्ल्ड क्या सोचता है. लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर क्वेश्चंस. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कोई बहुत डरावने नहीं है. वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम. We are going to play a game?
Okay.
Guess the game. What do you think we are going to play? But with questions.
Will we play this or that?
What do you think?
This or that.
Yeah? Okay. So इस हिसाब से you guys will get to know each other and I will get to know the 2 of you. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, start. Tell me a pet dragon or a pet unicorn?
Pet unicorn. Pet dragon.
Okay. Elephants or lions?
Elephants.
Okay.
Lions.
Okay. Bears or monkeys?
Bears.
Okay. Green or the color blue?
Green.
Okay.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Brown or white?
White.
Okay, tell me. This is a sweet question. Okay?
Okay.
Now pay attention to this one because it says to fly or to become invisible.
To become invisible. To fly.
Huh? And why is that? Why to fly? Fly करने में क्या रहेगा?
Fly, we can fly, and in the sky we can be invisible.
Oh, that's a good logic. And what about you? Why invisible?
Because then I can do anything without having anyone see me.
And what would you do अगर ऐसा हो तो?
Something not.
Like what?
Like pranking someone.
Like how?
That there's a ghost in the house.
But you would be the real ghost because you would be invisible. You could go, perhaps, you know, एक थोड़ा सा कान के पीछे लगा दिया, किसी को क्या पता चल रहा है कि किसने लगाया है, but it's Mansha, she's invisible, yeah. और दंशिका, अगर मंशा तुम्हारे घर आ गई तो क्या होगा? इनविजिबल होके, और वो ऐसी नॉटीनेस करने लगी घर में, तो तुम क्या करोगी?
I will fly and take her to her home.
ओह, अच्छा, अब मुझे बताओ, when you imagine yourself living in a beautiful space, do you imagine living yourself on a farm with a lot of animals? Okay? Or do you imagine yourself living in a castle like a princess? सारी प्यारी प्यारी pink dresses, a lot of good food, a lot of friends to play around the whole day, do nothing, not go to school. बताओ.
Farm. Princess. I mean castle.
A castle. And why a farm? You like animals?
Yeah. I love animals.
Yeah. Tell me something about your love for animals. क्या क्या अच्छा लगता है?
Like once I had a dog, now I give to someone, and when I was putting my hand into his mouth, he was not biting my hand.
Oh, he was your pet?
Yeah.
Yeah, so cute. और आप बताएं, princess क्यों?
It's so beautiful. It will be so beautiful. I'll enjoy my life in the luxury cafe.
Oh my God.
No stress, no problems, just fun and fun.
So Mansha seeking only fun in life. दंशिका, समझ में आई बात? हैं?
Yeah.
क्या लगता है तुम्हें?
It's nice.
हाँ? And उसकी farm life के बारे में what do you have to say? Full of animals.
I also like animals.
Any favorites?
Rabbit.
So cute. Even I love rabbits.
I have petted every animal.
So cute.
Rabbit, turtle, fishes, dog, lion, but not cat.
Lion को pet कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा दंशिका? बताओ मंशा. But there are zoos, you know, which let you pet lions, है ना?
Yeah.
Safaris.
Really?
Yeah. You think lions are dangerous?
Yeah. Yes.
And why is that?
Because they have sharp teeth and they
sharp
can
eyes.
attack us anytime.
And they can attack us while we're not watching. They're so strong.
They can attack anyone in our family or friends.
That's so true. They're predators. You know what a predator is?
No.
It just is lurking in your backdrop or anywhere that you are while he's around to eat you up. They usually eat flesh. So it
Yeah.
could be human flesh. So it's a dangerous thing to be around a lion.
But what's good is that lions sleep for 20 hours.
Wow, I didn't know that.
I also didn't know that.
Yeah. अच्छा ऐसा क्यों?
Well, Nehanti, you
Yeah.
remember that you used to do a class
I do.
in. You used to.
Yeah, I used to 2 years ago.
From there, I learned that lions sleep for 20 hours.
That is fantastic. अच्छा, आप बताओ मुझे, treasure hunt or a space adventure?
Treasure hunt.
Hunt.
अच्छा. And if,
Because the spaceship might crash anywhere.
oh, yeah. So treasure hunt is good for the two of you. Like maybe in the treasure hunt you can get a box of
Or
chocolates.
aliens can attack
Or
us.
Yeah. I mean if they exist. Oh yeah.
Or maybe we could find gold in the treasure hunt.
Exactly. And then you can go on a world tour. Okay, so now the next question again is something that you're going to really tell me very well about, okay? Going to school or staying home?
Staying home.
Staying home.
Ah, okay. And why is that? क्या करोगी दोनों naughty girls staying home? Tell me quickly.
Painting.
Oh, painting बहुत पसंद है मंशा को.
और शायद आर्ट क्लास.
अच्छा, मतलब art class करती रहोगी पूरा दिन. Basically, and Dhanshika, why would you want to stay home?
Because I don't like school. We study a lot.
No, I know. Everybody.
We have school till 2 o'clock.
I know it's so tiring, right?
Yeah.
फिर क्या करती हो जब स्कूल से आती हो?
Then I eat my lunch. Then I go to tuition. Then I come back. Then I go to dance. And then I come home.
And आप क्या करती हैं?
The first thing I do is sleep for a little time,
Oh, you take a
and
nap.
then when I wake up, I have some food and then change my clothes.
Acha, tell me something. Staying home or a vacation?
Vacation.
Vacation.
Okay. Vacation or playing with a sibling?
Vacation.
Vacation.
In vacations, we can play.
We play with our siblings
That's
and
a
we can
good one.
take them to our vacation.
And that's a good one. What if they don't want to go? What if they are an adult? What if you, like you and your sibling, apparently have a good age difference, right?
Yeah.
वो तो बड़े हैं,
5
teenage
years
हैं ना,
old.
5 years older to you. तो अगर भैया ने कह दिया मैं नहीं जा रहा, फिर will you stay back with him or will you still go to the vacation?
I will still go to the vacation, or I will say to my mother that tell to him go with me.
Oh, but
I'll
now the last question I think is playing with a sibling or a play date with friends.
Play with a sibling.
play date with friends.
High five on that. And high five to you on that. Both varied choices, but very good choices. Okay.
The
I
reason
would-
why I
yeah,
chose
tell
a play date is because we can play with our siblings in a play date.
Haan, you tell me.
Like in school, we go to school, we can meet our friends. After that, we can play with our siblings also.
Yeah, that's right. And one more thing. Actually, playing with siblings can happen anytime because they're in your house, right? They're your
Yeah.
own siblings. But play date with friends, भाई वो तो कम होता है ना organize. तुम लोग जाते हो खूब सारे play dates पे?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What about you?
I've never went in a play date.
Oh, that's pretty startling. How is that? You
I
don't
went
need one?
2-3 times.
3 times. You can count on your fingers.
Yeah.
And you?
Because my friends' houses are so far from my house.
Oh, so you don't have the opportunity to. Okay. अच्छा, tell me something. ये तो हमने आपके साथ खेल लिया. अब now the two of you, do you have a riddle or something for me?
Yes,
Okay.
I have one.
I also have.
Okay.
Okay,
But don't expect me to answer too well now.
this riddle has lots of questions. Okay,
Okay, but I will
Like-
cap them at 3 questions.
and it's a type of joke also.
Okay. Start.
Okay, if were 52 bricks in a helicopter and one fell, how many would be left?
Oh my God. 51?
Correct. And the next is how do you put an elephant in the fridge?
Open the fridge and put the elephant in.
Now, how do you put the giraffe in?
Open the fridge, take the elephant out, put the giraffe in.
Okay, now the next. The lion made a. The lion hosted a party. Everyone left except. Everyone went except for one animal. Who was that?
The giraffe, because he was in the fridge.
Right.
Okay, now a girl named Lily was trying to cross a river filled with which was home to alligators.
Okay. Now this is a separate,
made it half-
separate riddle? It's a separate
No.
riddle? Okay, it's a part of it? Okay.
She made it halfway, but she still died. How?
Oh, she was trying to cross a river. She made it halfway but still died. The alligator ate her.
No, the alligators were at the lion's party.
Oh my God, how did she still die? Did she drown?
No,
Oh.
the bricks that fell from the helicopter hit her.
fell on her. Oh my God. Okay, now chop chop. Enough time now.
I have 2 riddles.
Okay, okay.
One in Hindi.
Okay,
It's 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर निकली.
ठीक. 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर निकली. 3 पैर की तितली नहा धोकर निकली.
Pass.
Pass.
समोसा.
Oh, it was deep fried in the oil. अरे बड़ी प्यारी. अच्छा दूसरी बताओ.
If a trained sister says to her big sister, keep quiet, what will she say?
Is that right?
No.
No? Okay, you tell me.
Shatabdi.
Oh, shut up. This is insane, guys. और भी ऐसी?
Yeah, I heard, but I forgot.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. अब चलो, अब तुम लोग ने मेरी काफी लेग पुलिंग कर ली है, ठीक है, आस्किंग रिडल्स टू आंटी एंड आंटी डिडंट नो ऑल ऑफ देम। अच्छा अब बताओ मुझे, अब हम कुछ सीरियस बातें करें, मजे मजे की तो बातें हो गई। मंशा, दंशिका, रेडी फॉर सम सीरियस स्टफ?
Yes.
ओके, चलो मुझे ये बताओ, from the two of you, who is going to tell me first? Even if you tell me second, it's all right. Manners क्या होते हैं?
Manners are
Habits.
manners means habits, and habits.
Good
I
habits,
think
like
good
Vanshika
habits.
said.
manners mean
अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ, where do you learn manners from? School or home?
I learned it from my mama.
That's lovely. More than school, you learn manners from home, huh?
Both.
Okay, you said both. Okay, some at school, some at home. But what more, at home or school?
Home.
Home.
Home, certainly. Okay, that's lovely to know. अच्छा ये बताओ, कभी ये सोचा है कि where or who is God? One of you will answer first. You can just tell me like this. Who's going to go first? Who and where is God?
God is the person who made our world,
And the life.
and he lives in a place called heaven.
And what does he do there?
He helps the world by using his magic.
Oh, so he's a magical God. God is magical.
Yes.
What do you say, Dhanshika?
He helps the people who do prayers.
Acha, and those who don't do prayers?
He punishes them.
Oh, so prayers is essential, is it? To be helped and to be given good things, is it?
Yes.
What do you have to say, Dhanshika?
It is not
कौन है
necessary.
भगवान?
God is a person who made a life, friends, plants, animals, and everything.
That's right. And what does he do? Any idea? Have you ever wondered कि क्या करते होंगे God? कैसे
He
रहते
helped
होंगे?
the poor and needy
Yeah,
and helped someone in trouble.
yeah, like she said. But have you ever wondered how does he look like?
No.
Never
I
wondered?
saw a picture of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
Oh, so he is God?
Yes.
I've seen murtis of God.
Okay.
I've seen many gods.
Oh, I know. There are many gods in some cultures. I know.
Yeah,
I've seen.
gods and goddess.
And goddesses. That's right. About screen time, किस के लिए हर बार सारे adults कह रहे होते हैं no screen time. Screen time is bad. Please don't watch any more TV. Please don't do anything more on screen. कौन के मतलब पेरेंट्स कह रहे होते हैं ये बार रिपीटेडली आप लोगों से? बताइए जल्दी. और आप? No.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You watch less of screen, Dhanshika? You watch a lot? And what about you?
I watch a lot.
Oh my God. तो ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको कि हर वक्त मम्मी कह रही होती हैं या पापा कह रहे होते हैं कह रहे बंद करो टीवी, बहुत हो गया, ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो?
Our eyes can be damaged.
Our eyes can get damaged.
And any other reason you think?
Because they care for us.
Yeah, and they don't want our eyes to go. And eyes are so important. Why are eyes so important?
Because if we don't have eyes, then we can't see.
We can't see. We
You will
can't.
become a blind without
person.
eyes.
You cannot write. You cannot see anything. You cannot see where the things kept.
And also it just sort of changes the way you think in the brain. So that's a complex subject. कभी बड़े हो जाएंगे आप तो समझेंगे इस बारे में. अच्छा ये बताइए, मम्मी पापा तो ये भी कहते हैं कि इतना मीठा ना खाओ, कहते हैं आप दोनों में से किसी के? क्या कहते हैं?
Don't eat too much of sweets, biscuits, and chocolates.
Yeah, and why is that? कभी सोचा?
Because they don't want me to become fat.
Oh, दंशिका, इसको तो मोटा नहीं होना, तुम बताओ.
Because when I eat sweets, mosquito bites me. No.
The blood becomes sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, the mosquito's already bitten her. Oh my God, that is so cute. But literally खून मीठा नहीं होता मीठा खाने से.
Blood sugar.
मीठा पसंद है दोनों को?
Yeah.
How much?
This much.
अरे इतना ज़्यादा. Oh my
पूरा
God.
रूम को भर के.
अरे इसका तो पूरा रूम भर गया और आपका?
Her castle.
That is so cute. Oh, you two are so wonderful. My God, it's been a pleasure having you both over. अच्छा ये बताओ, मंशा, तुम कुछ एक्सेंट्स करती हो है ना, ब्रिटिश और अमेरिकन. मुझे कुछ वर्ड्स बताओ जो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में ऐसे बोले जाएंगे और अमेरिकन में ऐसे. बोलो, गिव मी सम. एंड जोर से बोलना.
ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में मिसाइल्स बोलते हैं, मतलब मिसाइल्स, और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में मिसाइल्स. और ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में फ्रैजाइल बोलते हैं, मतलब फ्रैजाइल. और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में फ्रैजल.
यस.
और ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में प्रिवेसी, और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में प्राइवेसी.
ओह वंडरफुल. और तुम्हें पता है धनशिका डांस करती है. धनशिका, कुछ अपने डांस के बारे में बताओ हम लोग को. क्या आर्ट फॉर्म करती हो डांस में?
Like I do classic and western. I do both.
Oh, you won many awards for them.
Yeah.
How many?
2 or 3.
Okay, awesome. Like the age that you're at, that's a
Yeah.
big feat. मजा आता है डांस करने में?
Yeah.
People praise you and they say, wow, बहुत अच्छा किया.
Yeah.
You learn it from someone?
Yeah.
और बताओ डांस के बारे में तुम्हें.
Dance. I have performed 4 to 5 classical performance.
Wow. है ना, हम दोनों चलेंगे.
और आप मेरा आर्ट के बारे में नहीं बात करोगे?
करेंगे अभी. Tell me, how big do you think the world is?
I think this.
Oh my.
It's bigger than her castle.
Oh my God, the castle से भी बड़ा. इतना बड़ा दुनिया. अच्छा, इतनी बड़ी दुनिया में ये बताओ, आपको क्या लगता है अडल्ट बनना आसान है?
No.
क्यों?
Because there are many works and jobs.
They have so much work
that
they have
children
so
can't
many
do.
jobs. And some jobs can even be dangerous, like firefighters.
Riskies.
Fighter skills.
And police. What if the robber has a gun?
Oh yeah, that could be a nightmare. And what other
and-
things do others go through?
And chefs. What if I burn myself?
Oh, that's a scare. Both of you, do you do some baking at home sometimes?
Sometimes.
What do you like baking?
Well,
I don't know if I cook.
Okay. एक और बात बताती हूँ. अभी जब मम्मी पापा किसी चीज के लिए नो कह देते हैं, दुख होता है, रोते हैं आप लोग?
No.
I don't cry. I just
be sad.
please.
Yeah. So आप लोग को नो ऑफन सुनना पड़ता है? Often?
No.
No. Usually it's a yes from parents.
Yeah.
And what about you?
कभी कभी no, कभी कभी yes.
Okay, balanced. अच्छा, अब मुझे ये बताओ, if one fine day you wake up and you get to know animals can talk, what will you ask them? And
I'll
which animal will you ask?
I will ask dogs.
What will you ask?
I'll ask my favorite animal, rabbit. Do you like K-pop?
Oh, K-pop. What is K-pop, guys?
K-pop was a band.
A band. And where are they from?
K-pop is Korean.
Korea.
Okay, you listen
K-pop
to
is
it?
a Korean.
Sometimes.
K-pop means Korean pop.
Korean pop. And how many members are there in the band?
Well, my favorite K-pop band is
There's
Blackpink.
Blackpink.
In Blackpink, there's Lisa,
Jennie, Jisoo, Jisoo, Rosie, and 4.
Rosie नहीं Rose.
Rose. Oh. अच्छा, अब ये बताओ मुझे कि तुम लोग को जल्दी जल्दी बड़ा बनना है like K-pop stars. Do you want to have like a own band of your own?
But there should be 7 to 8 members.
Okay, what if you both?
I want either 5 or 4.
Oh, 4 just like K-pop. Okay, tell me
It's
something.
called Blackpink. There are many
I know
K-pop.
Blackpink. Yeah.
There are many
there
K-pop
is one
bands
K-pop-
in Korea.
There is one K-pop called BTS.
Yeah, BTS.
There are
It's very
7
famous.
members.
7 members. So there is no band that has only 2 members?
No.
Okay.
No.
But you listen to music and K-pop especially a lot, is
No.
it? No?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes.
2 or 3 times.
अच्छा, अब यहाँ से हम मूव करते हैं एक सीरियस क्वेश्चन के लिए.
Only if there'll be any new Blackpink songs, then I'll start listening for it a few days and then I'll be bored of it again.
Yeah.
Okay. So any new song that comes,
Yeah.
you guys would love to listen to it, फिर बोर हो जाते हैं. Is it, धनचिका?
Yes.
तो ये बात मुझे बताओ अपनी जुबान में. Tell me.
Like there was a song Ice Cream Challenge where I listened to it and I loved it, and after 2-3 days I forgot the song.
Oh. And तब तक कोई नया song आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
Oh.
And
So yeah, the podcast that you watched, किसका podcast देखा था तुमने?
Jiraj,
And what did you watch in it? क्या पता चला उससे?
He loves video games.
he loves video games.
Do you both play games?
And
Yeah. And her mother loves board games.
he
Yeah,
was
his mother
an
loves both.
introvert.
He is not an introvert.
He is an introvert.
He is an introvert.
So I can correct you there. He is an ambivert, in between. In between of an introvert and an extrovert lies an ambivert. You know who an ambivert is?
I'm
Both.
an ambivert.
Ambivert, you mean?
I'm an ambivert.
Yeah, so the balance is such that you like to meet people and you talk, but you don't also like to meet people and you keep to yourself also sometimes. It's a balance. But
Like
both.
Extrovert.
You're an extrovert? Yeah, I can see that. She's an extrovert too.
I'm an ambivert.
Oh, you're an ambivert. Okay, you're
I
talking to me.
make friends with people easily, but I don't talk that much.
Oh, that's right. धनशिका, आप बात करती हैं बहुत?
Yeah.
बहुत पसंद है बात करना. अच्छा ये बताओ, घर पे who do you think out of both your parents, which of your parents understands you better?
My mom.
Yeah. What do you guys talk to your moms about?
About what I did in the school, in the tuition,
About
what creativity we did in Ruchi Auntie's class.
about facts.
About facts. Tell me a fact or two.
I mean, not facts.
Okay.
Life hacks.
Life hacks. Tell me a hack.
Okay. To make homemade glitter, take a Lego and one color. Now keep coloring the Lego on. Keep using the color on the Lego bumpy thing. Voila.
And then?
And then you see that powder, that's your glitter.
Oh my god, such a quick hack. So like both of you have said that you both chat with your mom more, right? Who loves you more?
My mom.
Who do you love more?
Both.
I love my mom more.
Okay.
Don't let my papa watch this video.
I promise I won't. And even if he does, I'm sure he's not going to be angry. Every child has his or her choice, and which is fine. Tell me something. Is there something that your parents don't understand about you that you would want to talk about, maybe to your friends or something?
Well,
Yeah.
once in the car, I said, Mama was preparing me for this podcast, and my mama said, okay, Mansha, I'll be Nehanti, you'll be Mansha.
That is so cute.
And I was like, okay. And then she asked me a question. Okay, Mansha, what's your favorite Blackpink member? Then I said Lisa. And then she asked me, then what? Then name me. Then name any 2 Blackpink members. So I said, I already said Lisa, so I won't say that. So, and she thought that I won't answer her. So she said, you, आप podcast में ये कहोगे Manisha, you won't answer.
It left rattled.
And I said, Mama, it was a misunderstanding.
I know, as simple as that. So sometimes parents also are at fault of not understanding, you know, and they're only human.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, what planet do we live on?
Earth.
Is there life somewhere else besides this planet?
No. There's no oxygen.
Well, there's only one living thing on one natural satellite. Aliens on the moon.
Oh my god, now that's so far-fetched. But like, to be very, very serious about this one topic, I want to obviously state ahead that because एक ही धरती है, एक ही planet है जहाँ पे life है. What should we do about it? We should take care of it. Should we? Should we preserve it? Do everything?
We should
Take
not
care of
throw trash on roads.
We should not. There are two reasons. One, animals can eat that trash. Two, it can fall in rivers and then animals in the river can eat that trash.
Yeah.
Or
Sea fish.
some people might drink that water.
Yeah, and it's all a lot of trash.
Yeah.
So what should we do to take care of our planet?
We should grow more plants,
We should
and
grow more trees.
plants, and don't use poly bags, plastic bags, and
Let me speak.
okay.
We should
Let her also speak, Chika.
And we should do not throw trash on roads.
Yeah. So what should we and what more can we do to preserve the planet?
We should grow more plants
Yeah.
and don't use plastic bags.
Yeah, that is such an integral point. Yeah,
Like
absolutely.
cows eat. If you give cows a plastic bag, food in plastic bag, she will swallow it.
Yeah, and that's going to be so hazardous, almost fatal for the little poor cow. I know, I know. Now, please, Missy, tell me.
Okay, so the first thing that we should do is that we should plant lots of trees.
Yes, that Dhanchika said, of course. And then
Because trees give us oxygen.
I know.
without
Let's take a deep breath. Okay.
And no artificial trees. Artificial trees don't give us oxygen.
I know. They are just plastic.
We should not use plastic bags because number one, plastic is made out of something called microplastics,
Yeah.
and when you
It never
drink
dissolves. It never disintegrates. You know, it's always there.
and
It lives on even after human beings die. So that's why it is a
And,
very big factor.
that's why you shouldn't use plastic.
Yeah.
And
That's
the
right.
second reason
Okay.
is that people burn our plastic that could cause air pollution.
Absolutely. So we must take care of our planet for longevity, for our good life ahead, right? Okay, now tell me. So besides dancing, you do something else also, Dhanchika. What do you do?
I do aerial, hula hoop,
And
and exercise yoga,
and
and
you have won medals, I think, for it.
yeah,
You're missing out something.
I've got medals also.
Yeah, but you're missing out something. You do something in the water. What do you do?
Swimming.
Yeah. Now I'll ask you some terms that you can tell Mansha, okay? Tell me, what do you mean by BK?
BK backstroke,
Yeah. What do you mean by beyond?
breaststroke.
I know these.
Yeah. And what do you mean by fly in swimming?
Butterfly.
Yeah. How do you do it?
We have to do our legs like this, and then we have to do our hands like this.
Oh, that's the butterfly stroke. You know how to swim?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you know the jargon. Okay, what is FR for?
T-style.
Amazing.
Okay, I know
How?
one.
Tell me.
What does goat mean?
Goat. Tell me, what does goat mean? Even I want to know.
Greatest
of all time.
Yes, give me a high five, both of you. Okay, oh my god, auntie's hands. Okay, now this is going to be the last question for both of you. Actually, second last. Because before you get tired and we call one of your favorite teachers within our little podcast. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want a quick answer to that.
I want to become an artist.
I want to be three things: a
What?
dancer, teacher, or a nail artist.
Awesome, a nail artist. Wow, that's pretty niche. Okay, and tell me.
My sister is a nail artist.
Oh, so cool. Will you perhaps make us meet her someday so that she can do our nails?
Yeah, I also want to do my nails.
Oh, see? Girly
Little
fetish.
She only has one nail polish that can be applied on children because the rest, if you apply those, you have to put your hands underneath a special lamp to
Yeah,
make those.
I've seen that.
polish
Nail
dry.
laminates. Yeah, even I've seen
And
people do
it
that.
can damage little baby's skin.
Oh, that's why little babies shouldn't go there. Okay. Tell me something. Now, this is a very, very important question to both of you. And take a deep breath and take a moment to understand what the question is and answer me very well. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me, is winning more important or the effort?
The effort.
And why is that?
Focus.
Because whenever you play anything, the only thing that matters is if you try or
So true.
if you have fun.
That is so true. What about you, Ranjit?
Winning is not important. We should have fun in everything. Like once we had a painting competition. My brother didn't win, but he had fun.
So it's a win-win situation then.
Yeah.
The winning of the heart is also important as the mind.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you both of you for being here, but the podcast isn't over yet. So yeah, hi viewers. When we were talking to our little guests this podcast, इन दोनों का एक common factor निकला that they both revel in art therapy, in painting, in coloring and all of that. तो वहाँ से एक common love for Ruchi auntie निकला. Now Ruchi auntie is the art mentor that the whole town of Kanpur looks up to. Hi Ruchi, welcome to the 4th edition of Small on Big Talk. How
Hi,
are you
Neha.
today?
I'm doing very well.
And I'm so glad to see you.
I am also, and I'm so glad to join you at your most ambitious and such a beautiful concept that you have conceived this
Thank
year.
you.
I'm so proud to join you here.
Thank you.
All the
I'm
best
so
for
proud
you
to have you.
Yes, thank you.
So for the unversed, Ruchi left a very lucrative and a very high-flying government
Yeah.
job. She settled in Kanpur, and then because of her passion for art, she took it up in the city and gave the city such amazing, nuanced workshops that the children still benefit and also the adults
The adults
benefit
too.
from.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tell me, Ruchi, if I may ask the most basic question to you, what is art to you? And the kind of art you practice, what is that? I need like a definition of it.
So art, basically, Neha, as per me, art is anything which is a process of creation. So anything which will lead to some kind of creation. Now this creation can be a painting, a piece of music, even a chef preparing a dish for you, anything which creates. And usually art is a way of a non-verbal expression of bringing out your most innermost feelings out, and enveloping your own personality around. And sometimes the most non-verbal communications are best expressed through art. And art cannot be just limited to something like just drawing and painting what we perceive it to be. Even a nice basic homely housewife, how she keeps her house, that's art. The simple aloo ki sabzi that we all eat, every house has a different recipe and a taste of the same basic potato. That's art. So art is it's an umbrella. It covers a lot of things. Anything which involves a creative expression of a very, very, so to say, basic looking thing. So when you put that into creativity, it becomes art. That's what I feel. And the art that I practice is, when I ventured into the field, so to say, we started it just to, make it like a way of life. That, when two friends are chilling, when we are having a group of friends and we are just sitting around and we are hanging in, why not, also get into some creative things? Let's do like Purane Zamane mein women would embroider, crochet together. So I was like, let's do it. But
And you were
eventually-
always good at art.
Yeah, of course I wasn't, but I'm not like a trained artist, so to
Okay.
say. But
Self-taught?
I'm self-taught, and I'm pretty good with it. And when we started out, I realized, through the workshops, specifically when we're doing for adults, there was so much of inner healing which was happening. It was like unbelievable.
You opened
The-
up the Pandora's
yes,
box.
and the women, they would after the workshop they would give us a call, that what my colors were talking about. And because in a public domain they are quite shy to ask you, they don't want to open up, they don't want to reveal out their secrets or their inner turmoils which are happening. And I realized that, oh my god, this is such a, we already know it's a medium of healing, but people are interested. So when we started out, it was like it just not make it look like a basic drawing class, but also to bring in a lot of value to it. That is how we
Communication.
started. Communication of your inner self, bringing it out on the on the podium.
Yeah.
That was the motive.
Tell me, is it an acquired skill, or you think somebody in your family has always been very good at art?
No, if I go that lane, nobody in my family ever painted.
Oh, so you're
Yes,
one of
I
its
don't
kind.
know how this happened to me. Like as far as I know, my lineage, nobody was painting. But if you ask me, were they creative? Hell yes.
Oh.
So I'm a Maharashtrian
Okay.
by birth. So we Maharashtrians down south,
Okay.
we have this. Like it's like a given. Every morning, my mom would wake up, take her shower, and all that, and we would do rangolis. Now rangoli,
I see that in a lot of Marathi houses.
it is there. So there will be a Tulsi Vrindavan and there will be a Rangoli. Every morning by default it will be done. Now imagine a woman, she is able to bring out 365 different patterns for that one small piece. I think that's the epitome of creativity.
Oh, so every day a
Every day.
different pattern.
Yeah, they are not repeating
Wow.
it. It can be simple two flowers coming together. It can be the column. It can be any kind of geometric designs that we see. This is our culture, and this is something that nobody was teaching them.
Wow.
So imagine a woman getting every day by default 40 minutes of her life every morning in that sunrise
Dedicatedly.
era and doing art.
Yeah.
That's art.
Yeah.
So I think, formally, of course, I don't see people who might be, having an easel or like something like this. But
Yeah.
I believe creativity was very high in my family. So probably it's coming from there. And also
The environment you grew up
the
in.
environment. And I think yes, it is required if we nudge at the very early age, if we are able to gauge that the child is good at, let's say, Casio or guitar or painting, then it's our duty to then let them bloom out completely in that arena.
That's
So
true.
yeah, it can be acquired with practice and discipline, of course.
Yeah.
So that is how it is, I think.
And some are born artists,
Some
like
are born.
yourself.
And you would also see that there are now internet is storming with this. Some little kids, their moms are shocked. They are toddlers. They are moving, with their hands and feet gripped in paint, and they're doing something. The strokes are unbelievable. In fact, one lady in France, she put up the exhibition of all this little
Her toddler art.
mess. Yes, the mess that the toddler was doing. Because in the world of artists,
In
all these
abstract art?
yes, because all these mature minds,
Okay.
when they are able to see patterns in it, and then they are also linking it to some past life, some experiences.
But do majority see a pattern?
No, I don't think so. Unfortunately, like just there's a
So
joke.
it's a sham?
It's not a sham. I won't
Okay.
say it's a sham because maturer artists, they understand the strokes. They understand how the brush has moved.
Okay.
For you, it might look like a black ordinary circle,
Okay.
but the artist will tell you that how the brushes have moved, how many layers have happened.
It's very nuanced.
It's very nuanced. Also, so these mature artists, what I'm telling you, these people are like shocked to see the patterns. And sometimes we joke कि modern art किसी को जो समझ में ना आए, but it's a fact. But then there are some people who will find life meanings in it, and हम लोग देखते रहते कि यार ये क्या बनाया है इसने. There's one
Also, plain canvases.
Plain
at
canvas?
exhibits, like you're there, you're staring at a wall.
Yes, so
And there's nothing there. And yet, people just envision something.
something they see in it. There's one of my very favorite artists, Gayatri, and she's also listed on Me Miraki. This is one of the platforms that very popular Indian platform,
Okay.
where artists can sell their art and all. So the highest selling painting, I kid you not, is it's like a giant 15-20 feet canvas. It's all red.
Oh.
And there's a little bit of drip of, like, let's say, like a yellow or orange drip happening at the left hand corner.
Okay.
And the artist have named it Draupadi.
Oh.
Yeah. So it is like for a newbie or somebody who is not doesn't understand it like that. For them, it's like it's a blank red canvas, and there are two drips.
Okay, 2 streaks of yellow.
That's all. And but then there are some people who have found out meaning like that. They have linked it to Mahabharata. They are imagining it to be the state of mind of Draupadi when the Chirharan was happening. They have put in like red is a color of intense anger and emotion. They have envisioned that in it. So that's why I say, see, to perceive art, it evolves with the person.
Okay.
So like for if I take myself into consideration, 12 years back, if you would have shown me, let's say, that tiger, I would conceive it, or I would like perceive it differently.
Yeah.
Today I can say, there's as you grow up, your vision broadens, your horizons,
And your stimuli changes.
So
that is a stimuli.
yes. So when your mind is eventually opening up. So if you're fortunate, that happens to you in very early age. Otherwise, you might even not touch that by the time you're even 50.
Yeah, you don't evolve
Yes,
internally
yes,
to be able to
yes.
produce and envision like that.
Envision things like that, because see, maturity and I would say, a touch to life, it has nothing to do with your biological age, no? So that is the problem. Yes. Hello, girls.
Okay. Tell me something. Do you need compassion for good art?
I think
And
compassion,
sincerity, to produce
Yes.
sincere
Yeah.
product.
sincerity and discipline is extremely important in any field when you're creating something, right? But what I feel is that artists, as much as it doesn't sound profitable or professional, but artists tends to be like not so disciplined, because creativity cannot be captured
But
into
compassion?
a 9 to 5. I'm coming to that. So it cannot be covered in a 9 to 5 job. 9 से 5 painting rows करनी है. It can never happen. So what happens is when the freedom and empathy levels are very higher, creativity boosts, and in the process also you can become compassionate, just what we discussed, because your horizon changes to see things differently. So the sea which you are just seeing, a calm sea, so the moment your empathy and compassion in you has evolved, the same view changes for you. Coming to your question, is it important, is it a prerequisite? Yes, because just as I said that sometimes to see beauty in the most mundane things is not, so it's like
Absolutely.
not a tea of everyone. So it's not something which comes to everyone. Also, yes, if you ask me, a lot of gentleness and softness is a prerequisite. It's not just for painting or of this field. Even if you're a musician, the musician has to go and touch realms of music that we can't even fathom. So I think, yeah, compassion evolves also, and there is a prerequisite also.
Yeah, it has to have its base
It
already.
has to have. So when we discussed in the beginning, you remember I told you one incident around Mansha.
Yeah.
So why she's here today is also that because see, she showed her high quotient of emotional intelligence during a very stressful situation. So as I told you, and I would like to repeat the incidents. So one of our classes, we had big numbers, so I divided the group in like 10 each, and there was a team A, there was a team B. Both of them were supposed to build a jungle with all clay and everything. Both the teams did. It was a very, very high energy, high competitive kind of an environment. The teams were like full on cutthroat. They made it as if बिल्कुल पता नहीं क्या ही हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And they would like sneak up and they would fool me that हमें washroom जाना है, and they would go from there and sneak in there, and it was next level, and it was
All
fun.
the hacks were being applied.
Everything, all the वो कहते हैं वो क्या कहते हैं, साम दाम
हाँ,
दंड, सब चल रहा था उस दिन वहाँ पे. Yeah, and for what? For a jungle.
Okay.
But that was happening. So team, I don't remember which team won. It was team B, whichever, the team that Mansha had.
Okay.
Her team won.
Okay.
Now, so we were like, okay, although I don't believe in, putting in children in competition, giving them a pedestal and all that, I don't believe. But that day it was a different class, different vibes. I said, okay, let's go with the flow. Her team won. And this one, so we called up and we were teaching the other team to be, to be good losers also.
Absolutely.
So,
to accept.
yes, so we were in that process. So this team was being all pompous and pride, कि हम जीत
Okay.
गए and all that. This one comes not to receive any compliments or something. She comes and she says, she's pulling my kurta and she says, "Ruchi auntie, I want to say something." I said, "Haan, bolo." I go down. She comes to me and says, "No, I want to say something to the team."
Okay,
I
to the
said,
losing
to the losing team. I said, "Okay, go ahead."
Okay.
And she, like, as if she has this Oscar script in her hand or
Oh
something.
my God.
I want to tell this to all the friends that, you know, it is not important to win. It is important to win. And I was taken aback.
Oh my God.
He's coming from small team, and you know, all the kids in the losing team, so to say, losing team.
Yeah, I
They,
know.
yeah, they were like, you know, and then they were like, yeah, and you know, the whole energy changed, and
Yeah.
so that is the day when I picked this trait.
So she realizes that participation is enough.
And see, this is what we are drilling every day into our kids these days.
Absolutely.
Yeah, like we don't want them to face exam in a certain fear,
Absolutely.
but you know,
No pressure.
no pressure.
Yeah,
We have
totally.
loosened up as parents
Yeah.
also. But you know, to actually practice that in real life when the situation is there,
And to see a child such as her exhibiting it.
exhibiting that is so
At an age
ज्ञान
which is
तो
so
हम
fragile,
देते रहते हैं ना बच्चों को ऐसे करो.
बिल्कुल.
But she actually, you know, got up and she practiced it.
Yeah.
So I was very happy that day to see that, you know,
So coming to you also taught her that.
coming to me, I would not take the entire credit, but yes, the environment that we create. Because
Absolutely.
even in my class, you know, if when they walk out of the class and you say कि आज क्या बनाया देखो, you might not be impressed by it. But if you ask all of them that throughout the class, I have a rule: there is going to be no girl-boy system happening. Although they try to do it.
Okay, no
I have-
biases.
No biases.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I have a rule that
Okay.
two strangers have to come together. You know, it's about inclusivity,
Yeah.
bringing kids together, and you know, we are in a process to teach so many life lessons through it, and that is the actual purpose of art. You know, it has to
Okay,
evolve.
so on that note, Ruchi, tell me art as a therapy for adults.
That's a very intense and a deep
Because I'll come back
subject.
to children.
Yeah.
Because I think therapy should be given early on.
Exactly. So this I picked a very valid point in your last podcast when Meher picked it up. That
Yeah.
you know, I don't know why. And
Psychology.
she was so right. When we are giving an option of choosing German, French, Sanskrit, we can also probably give, because it's such a life tool now.
Yeah.
Coming to adults, you know, so I had a privilege to do. It was like a paint bar, the concept that we do. We had the privilege to do around like 200 something women. It was for a club. Every person was given a small canvas, a paint set, and all that, and we asked them to like go berserk. Jo karna hai karo.
Just free art.
Just free up. And I kid you not, Neha, it's the rule of for the past 8, 10, 9 years that I'm doing this. Everybody starts off by saying, हमें तो कुछ नहीं आता, हमने तो brush नहीं उठाया
I
है,
know.
हमने तो, but
I
eventually they are, and when you tell them to stop, they're not leaving.
Okay.
We have to tell them हो गया है, बस करो, but they don't want to leave. Same happens
Chop,
with
the class is over.
So there was a lot of hitch in the women. Okay, so somebody was like कि मेरी साड़ी खराब हो जाएगी and all that was happening. But then they started off. We gave them like 30-35 minutes flat painting time. Once it's done, they have to literally like, you know, do whatever they want. Any stroke, nobody cares. There's like even वो जो बचपन में हम बनाते थे वो घर पहाड़, even if you do that, that's okay. So once that was done, then we hand them out this, you know, you have seen that yoga pose man with those chakras and all that. We hand them out, and usme there are that which color you know resonates to which chakra,
Or teaches you
and
what about yourself.
Precisely. And we tell them, and then you know we start to read the paintings. Now that is an intervention of another level. So women, so like suppose I'll give you a very simple example. If somebody has done all blue,
Okay.
so blue connects to your throat chakra,
Okay.
and blue color, throat chakra, is responsible for all your communication issues.
Oh.
Either speaking too much, speaking less.
Okay.
Both are a problem areas.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
when it's required, you're not speaking. Problem.
Yeah.
Speaking too much when not required, again a problem.
Again a problem.
So you know,
ज्यादती हर चीज की
हर
जहर है.
चीज, हाँ बस. So you know, blue color resonates to that element. Red colors to certain elements. People who are doing a lot of yellow-orange mix, we told them, are you okay with your diets? Are you body conscious? Yes, because that relates to your solar chakra, and if that's disbalanced, the first thing you know, if suppose somebody is on a plus size, you know, they don't have a healthy relationship with food then in that case. So we are able to pick those things, and you know, once you start talking to them in that, based on their little scribble that according to them it's a scribble waste of peace, based on that, when we are able to tell them, you know, there's so much of blue happening, are you not communicating enough with your family or kids or something. And mind you, they were all middle-aged ladies.
My God, yeah.
So yeah, and
For them to take diktats,
they were in tears.
you know, interpretation of their
Yes.
personalities must have been quite.
They were, I'm
revealing.
telling you, yeah, they were in tears.
Yeah.
And they were like कि
अच्छा,
हाँ,
emotional
ऐसा
हो गए?
emotional हो जाते हैं. And some of them, they are quite open about it. They want to discuss. Some of them, they would like call up after the event. कि what
अब
is it?
analyze करें.
Yeah. But then I always tell them that, see, I'm not professionally qualified to cure you. But yes, through this, given to so much of reading that we've done and so much of, self-teaching and, reading all the journals, picking little courses from institutions, at least I'm at the position to tell you that, okay, I can open that door for you. I can open that window for you.
Right.
And, now this is for adults. Now,
Right.
the same thing when it comes to children.
And children should be therapeutically exposed earlier on.
And
Yeah.
when we have this messy art happening for toddlers, from there you can pick anger issue, and children, mind you, also go through anxiety. हमें लगता है this is an adult problem. No,
That is
children. Oh, true. Why some children are clinging to their moms in front of the school gates, not leaving? It's all anxiety. Children do have
And
it.
those children who run from their mothers inside the
Yeah.
school gate, now that's another extreme.
That is extreme, and that is no brownie point. वो आपसे इतना भाग जाता है. That is also a question. But
But what about us?
so that is like these children. So suppose now these kids are painting. My mind is one way going towards it. I know where it is. I'll share one very good example with you. One of our art class, we had a camp, and 2 years back, this child would come every day.
Okay.
He would come every day. He would go to the color station. So I
Okay.
have a rule: I never give them separate kits.
Okay.
One station, सब वहीं जाएंगे, वहीं से color लो, share करो. Nobody gets nothing.
Okay.
So that way they also learn. Yeah. So
To level in
to
one
level up,
grade,
and
yeah.
also to teach, because these kids are so privileged.
Yeah.
Even if we don't like to admit,
Yeah,
they are so
yeah,
they've got everything in ample.
How true.
So I try to do that.
Yeah.
So this one would come every day. He would run like little baby steps towards the table. He would pick black color, come back, do all pura canvas black. So the mother would come and pick him, and he was like, "इसने तो ये सब." मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, कल देखते हैं. Next day again would go, and I would pause and कि कुछ और एक color ले लो बेटा. So he'll take another color, but it's eventually all black. Third day the same thing. Fourth day. Then the anxiety in the mom started rising because other children are doing some color, they're making, even if it's a simple flower they're making, and this one is not. So and I said, but why are you so anxious about this blackness? I don't know why. She said, ये कितना बताओ, because we have that perception ना, black is like a bad color or something.
And
I
evil.
Evil. We have associated it like
And
that.
superstitiously as well, right?
Superstitiously, वो
कि festivals
हाँ,
में नहीं पहनना,
पहनना
किसी
नहीं
की
है.
शादी में ना पहन के आ जाए
White
आप.
के लिए भी है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, white के लिए.
अच्छा.
So you can't wear white like in
Yeah, pure white, yeah. Like completely a white
white क्यों
attire.
पहना
ये
है?
बात सही है.
So then all that is happening. So I told her, मैंने कहा, why are you so anxious? So I understand that as a mom you're worried because there is no art happening. वो एक फूल भी नहीं बनाया उसने. Why are you anxious about the color? And that day I realized, I told her, but black color is the first hand signifier of intense leadership quality in a child.
Wow, the boldness.
The boldness, the leadership quality. मैं कहा, how could you not perceive that your child is a leader? He's a born leader. He doesn't want to.
Does he also exhibit those kind of traits? Is he bold and like
No, so
larger than
contrary,
life?
he was not.
Okay.
Because
but he
now-
wanted to be like that.
Because that is in him beauty. But he's not able to, and होता क्या है जब वो painting करता होगा, it's all black, black, black. There's constant criticism. कुछ और करो, कुछ और. So his leadership trait, which he's admitting that, okay, which is showing, you're not able to, bring that out. So I said, we are telling this to the moms, पहली बात तो कोई color खराब नहीं होता. Don't force your children in these brackets of adult visions.
Yeah, so Ruchi, throw some colors. The idiom is throw some light, but I'd say throw some color on commercialization of art. And is money important for its longevity?
Yes, so there are two aspects to this. One is commercial art, one is commercialization. So unfortunately now there's a very cute meme which is floating around that artists बेचारे वो painting करे या reel बनाए, which is so true. So they have to do all those Instagram
I
gimmicks
know.
and all. So it's very distracting, I understand. But if you don't do that,
Okay.
then you're also not reaching the right potential, the client. And today also we are living in a time when, you know, if you are good at this, your self-marketing is enough for it. You know, you don't need big design houses to come and engage with you also. Eventually they will reach out to you. So commercialization of art has become so crucial and also so untouched. Like if I ask these kids, one from sport, they'll definitely tell, two sports people, they'll say, two musicians, they'll tell you everybody from the, you know, respective field. But if I ask them to tell me one Indian artist that you know of, nobody can tell. Even forget them, we can't tell. So, you know, and then how many art forms are there, they don't know. So this is also happening because इसमें कभी ना उस तरह के, once you are an established artist, there is a lot of money. But when you venture out and you start off, there is precisely there is no money in it.
Yeah,
So,
that's my
yes,
point.
That's a very sad.
So to sustain art.
And also, you know, to tell your children that go ahead. Either you have to have certain kind of privileges that you're not bothered about the, you know, so to say, roti, kapra, makan. Those issues are not in your life, then you have the courage to, you know, sustain more.
The privilege.
The privilege, basically. And if that is there, so, you know, how will you paint if you don't have, you know, food on your table? So parents are also never going to say very openly ki ja tu artist ban ja, and then, you know, because it's a long journey, and also it's, of course, like any other field, it's also about luck. So yes, commercialization is so important here. Also the, you know, the focus that yes, these things will, you know, one day they will reap benefits to you. It can be a full-fledged career for you. For that, the seed has to come right now. Even today, it's such a sad state. I know a few people who says that, you know, अब हमें इसको drawing नहीं करानी, अब हम चाहते हैं कुछ और करें. So
they don't take it with seriousness.
Yes, you know, and even if they see it, then some parents are very sweet. They can see a lot of talent brewing, and they don't know the right way, how to, you know, do you have to, you know, consult a artist house, a media house, or where to go, whom to call
if the
up.
passion lies to make it a profession.
And you know, they don't know if there are how many steps are involved in, you know, ultimately selling that piece. They don't even know how to, you know, approach a gallery for a normal exhibit. Are there even galleries around which are going to exhibit art for children specifically? So it's not like we don't have anything. We have a lot, but yes, it's not that glamorized yet. So it's not coming out like that. I wish like we have these reality shows of, you know, dancers, and I wish there is a reality show.
सबसे बड़ा artist कौन?
Yeah, why
I
not?
know.
And you know, and
To give them a national platform in media.
Once that happens, you know,
That is so true.
That's so throwing it in the universe organically. Now that we have spoken about, maybe ऐसा ही कुछ हो जाए. You know, there's some kind of revolution that happens, that, you know, kids are coming on the television to paint and exhibit. The day, you know, you add that glamorization, parents will be lured, and once parents are lured, they'll put more faith and they'll give more time, you know, for them to, you know, pursue this also.
That's right.
And why to fake it, yaar? See, I also got into this field full-fledgedly when I have achieved everything in the societal parameter.
Yeah, you had a very lucrative and a high-flying job.
Yeah, I was a very high achiever.
Yeah.
I did that. I got the most premium jobs that are there in the country. I was.
But then you realized its perks as well.
It's perks, and plus then I was always sitting in that, you know, point in life where, you know, I can be okay. Everything is set. I am sitting in a, you know, comfortable cushioned life I had, and now let me follow my heart.
Yeah.
If certain circumstances would have been different, probably I would have been in a position that, you know, रखो इसको
ये बाद में करेंगे कभी.
पहले पैसे कमाने हैं, या, you know. And even today that we do, we are not doing it for money, so the passion shows differently.
Absolutely.
It's not important that everybody.
See, that's where I want to stop you and ask you, that does commercialization of art kill its soul?
If you get into the rut of selling, like I'll give you a very small example. Now there's a plethora of workshops suddenly happening. What's the point if you're doing, like, you're rolling out 5 workshops, 10 workshops in a month? Your Instagram is buzzing. It's so good for your social media, but everything is similar, and there is, you know, there is no creativity. You're not able to give out anything that is different or that is meaningful. How is it different, or how does it making any difference? So, you know, you're now what you are just a kind of
A medium to just
a departmental store,
Yeah.
which is driven by demand,
Yeah.
and you're not a high-end brand,
Yeah.
which for what people would come for is exclusivity
And
now.
resonate with you.
And resonate with you
Yeah,
also. And
that's
why
so
would
true.
people come to you if you're not able to handle or give them anything which is exclusive?
Absolutely.
So commercialization का सबसे बड़ा problem क्या है ना कि initially when you want to also grow, but you also want to feed your pocket, and a lot of people get discouraged also in that process because I don't know if this is the right platform to say this also.
No,
but
no, well, it is.
yes, because these art workshops and all that we do, it's not a business. All right, it's not going to.
And
give
don't
you,
take it up like
and don't take
one.
It. So anybody who is thinking, oh, it's easy money, easy,
Yeah.
quick shot to fame or quick shot to earning few bucks. No, and you won't sustain that way.
Yeah.
Because parents, mind you, forget parents. These children, they're not fools.
Yeah.
They read and pick energies like magic. Moms also know that the mentor that we are sending to or the workshop that we are going to go to, what is the energy there?
Yeah.
What is the quality of the props which
Yeah.
is coming there? So money is very crucial. We all
Like
of course
anywhere else?
Yeah, like anywhere, because and I don't say there's nothing bad about it, because money is a very good motivator also. You should find that kind of motivation also to keep the show rolling also, but it shouldn't become your end. Yeah. But established artists are still minting a lot of money.
अच्छा रुचि, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो मैं टच करना चाह रही थी इन आर्ट इज प्लेजरिज्म. एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ प्लेजरिज्म इन आर्ट, और ये है ही क्यों?
So plagiarism by the textbook definition is basically a cut copy of anybody's work. So what I have learned.
But shouldn't art be original for what it's worth?
Of course. So what I've learned very recently is, हमें ऐसा लगता है that when you just simply copy and paste it, it's plagiarism. But no, plagiarism is also when you
Multi-diverse.
It's so it has so many facets. Even if you copy somebody's style of work, even that can be come into the bracket of plagiarism. And I was like really taken by surprise. I didn't know this. Now it's so unfortunate, because it's so unfair also on the artist who has originally thought of the idea or something, like let's say like a piece of music or something, it's so unfair on them. So of course it should not exist, this thing. But yes, it does exist.
Like to derive inspiration should be kept separate from plagiarism.
So what happens
And what is that fine line?
Yes, most of the people will be always saying, okay, this is like inspired by. So if it is genuinely inspired by it, so I don't think then it's such a big task that you can't get up and give credit to the original artist.
So well said.
Yeah, so if it is genuinely inspired, and when there is a little bit of ego or insecurity happening at the realm of it, then you will never do that, and then you will automatically come into the bracket of plagiarism. But if you get up and there are two steps to it actually. Number one is seeking permission. Suppose if I love what right now Mansha is doing, I want to do it, same to same. The first basic courtesy step, which doesn't even require any paperbazi, it's simple: seek permission. If you think that the person is unapproachable, or if they are diseased and now there's no scope
That's right.
of taking permission, the simplest thing is when you do it, when you take the piece for reference or whatever, you just have to say credits. And the moment you use that one simple word, it puts you off from all the risk of being a copycat, cheat or whatever. So I don't know, this is so simple.
That's small act.
It's a small act, and it's such a gracious thing to do.
And as an artist, it also comes from compassion and kindness.
That's what I'm saying. It is such a gracious thing. It talks so highly of your character, and the artist feels respected. You eventually will be highly respected for doing that. If it's so cheap to talk of your own self, but just last week, 2 weeks back,
Okay.
I got this offer from somebody that let's start these drumming activities in Kanpur.
Okay.
Because now they're picking up in Bollywood kids' birthday parties and
Okay.
all. And we want you to do this, etc., etc. And so I told this person who came to me, I told her that I know of somebody in Kanpur who has already brought this.
Yeah.
And I'm in very good terms with the person.
Yeah.
And instead of me, because just because we are seen more and we have a bigger viewership, me going and taking over the idea and selling it to some birthday party or some of my clients would be so unfair. It's not my idea, it's not her idea either.
But she's brought it.
She brought it. So there's
How
a
fair.
simple courtesy that just bring her up and just ask her, should we do it? And as it should have been, the moment this client of mine asked her, she said that I will be more than happy if she takes this up and does it. Eventually we didn't do it, and that's a different story. But now see, between me and that third person, we have this mutual respect circle
Absolutely.
which will roll throughout the life.
Yes, the ethics are in place.
Yes.
The foundation is strong.
And that's how it has to be. I don't understand that why do we, and see, वो कहते हैं ना कि आपके एक कतरा आपसे कोई लेगा कम नहीं, ना देगा ज़्यादा, जो आपका है वो मिलना ही है.
बेहतरीन.
What's the point of this, getting into this rut of insecurities and egos? And huge mega producers and Bollywood stars, they are saying that this is not the time of competition, this is a time of collaboration.
Yeah.
If you feel inspired by somebody, if you look up to somebody's work, reach out to them, be humble about it, reach out to them, shake hands,
true.
say let's do it together.
How true.
When two good energies come together, you can create something outstanding. And this is so simple. You don't have to fall into the bracket of copying and plagiarism. I think it's also a lot to do with your moral value sets. It's not just
Any
about,
incident comes to your mind?
for me, there are ample, but I don't like to, dwell into all that. It pulls my energy down, and I'm not a person like that. But yes, it happens so much. What affects you is when, suppose if Mansha has copied her, and one day if she stands up and she says that I am the boss of
Original.
this, yeah, and no, it never. So that kind of, the mutual tension,
The conflict zone is not a very good place to be in.
It's not, and we all can bloom in our own time.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and
That brings me back to Amir Aziz, that quote.
yes. Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
So we can throw some light on it,
Yeah.
So this brilliant artist, whatever piece of artwork he did, somebody decides one day when the जिसको कहते हैं ना लोहा गरम था, pick this piece up, marketed it, put it on a piece of paper, and commercialized it,
Yeah.
made huge money out of it. Without any, forget the same process. I
Yeah,
said,
she
seek
just
permission.
painted the poetry.
And seek permission to chala hi gaya.
Haan.
There was no credits also.
No.
And eventually, obviously, and both the parties got into big conflict.
Absolutely.
The lady has her own things to say, but the truth of the matter of the fact is that this piece is not yours.
Absolutely.
This is not
You're
yours.
transcripting
You
even the
are-
words
yes.
on your piece
So,
of mural cloth.
Yes, you are not.
So that's
It's like-
absolutely
it's like
incorrigible.
somebody comes to me and they commission me an artwork and they say कि इसमें गीता के 5 श्लोक लिखने हैं.
वो अलग बात है.
नहीं, मैंने लिख
अच्छा,
भी दी.
लिख भी दिए.
मैंने लिख दी,
अच्छा.
मैंने पेंटिंग बनाई, मैंने गीता के श्लोक उस पे लिखे भी.
सही.
और मैं उसमें लिख दूं कि ये तो मेरे हैं.
अच्छा.
मतलब it was as black and white of that कि वो चीज आपकी नहीं है.
नहीं
You can say that okay, I'm improvising on it or I'm putting my own version.
या
to it.
पोएट का वर्स लगा रहे हैं.
Poet covers. And how much effort does it take to just say that this is from here?
Yeah.
And between me and my work area in the town also, I'm so particular about throwing away credits. Even today, whenever somebody asks me to go back to the journey, that how did it all start and all, the two people who were there, who believed in us, every time I mention them, it has become so repetitive, and they are also like, "Kya bas bolna band kar do, we did it out of love for you," or whatever. But I can't. These people who have
Been a part of your journey.
yes, you have to give
Accredit them.
you have to give it where it's due.
Yeah,
So
how true.
why I think the girl was Anita.
Anita Dubey, the woman,
Anita
yeah,
Dubey,
and
yeah.
Amir Aziz, the poet.
Amir Aziz had this
Yeah.
piece, and it's not nothing
It's a
wrong.
revolutionary piece, yeah.
Yeah. And it's nothing wrong. You got inspired by
Yeah.
it. You thought it in a different vision.
Yeah.
You wanted to recreate
Yeah.
it. All good.
All good.
All good.
Yeah, just say it.
Just say it. Just say it. It's
My
so
God.
it speaks so highly of you.
Yeah.
I don't know why. That is why. And the same thing we are trying to build in this generation.
Yeah.
Also. Be inspired. Be motivated.
But please
Go
speak up.
ahead and copy if
Yeah.
you like it. but always have the balls
Value system in place.
to say
That's right.
to say how it is.
That is so
Yeah.
true. Okay, Ruchi, I think it was fabulous having you over.